Using Bootstrap, we can easily style tables. A basic Bootstrap table has a light padding and horizontal dividers as shown in this example. In the HTML code, you can see that all we need to do is set the table class to table in order to apply the style. In order for Bootstrap to correctly apply formatting to the header of the table, we also need to specify the table head and table body using thethead and tbody tags. You'll notice in this example that the headings are slightly more bold than the rest of the content. When applying the thead tag, make sure that each column begins with th only for the contents within the table head as shown here. So you'll notice that each heading is enclosed in the open and closed th tags. Now we can add the table striped class to set each other row to a slightly darker color. So I'll just save the file and refresh, and we can see that each other row is now light gray. So it adds that distinction between rows. The table bordered class. This adds a borders on all sides of the table and cells. The table hover class. And this creates a mouse over effect on the table rows. So you can see it changes to a light gray color when you hover your mouse over it. The table condensed class, that will remove some of the padding around the text. And so it's a more condensed table. We can add contextual classes to table rows or table columns. And we'll just do a quick example. I'll add a few classes to each row. Actually, I'll start in the table body instead. So we've added some of the contextual classes. Now I'm just going to refresh the page. And you can see that the first row has the success class, the second row has the danger class, and the third row has the info class.